Unlocking success in challenging times. Why building your dream team for tomorrow's triumph is important. Today on the Productive Not Busy podcast.
You're listening to the Productive Not Busy podcast, where we show you how to do life and business confident, focused, and with a plan so that you can make more money. Have more free time and less stress. Your host, Wayne Withersby, will uncover actionable hacks, strategies, tips, and insights you can use today to live a better, more productive life. It's time to boost your mindset, confidence, and your attitude. Here's your host, Coach Wayne.
So today in the dynamic world of business, wise business owners and entrepreneurs and visionary leaders know that every cloud has a silver lining. So despite the economic challenges that we face, this is the golden opportunity to assemble a team of super talented individuals who will be the driving force behind your future triumphs. Success, after all, is not about luck. It's about foresight, strategy, vision, and action. Remember, as the saying goes, in the midst of every crisis lies great opportunity. And right now, with the economic influx, this lies a unique chance to set the stage for tomorrow's prosperity. The first step to securing your entrepreneurial dreams is to seek out and recruit exceptional talent and kind that can transform your vision into reality. So why now? Well, quality talent is more accessible right now. During an economic downturn, many incredibly talented individuals find themselves in the job market. So you can look at these as diamonds in the rough. They're often overlooked during booming times when the businesses are reluctant to take a risk. So seize this moment to spot and acquire the kind of talent that could elevate your business to the next level. Build a competitive edge. As the economy recovers, your MVP, right? Your minimal viable product team will be a step ahead of the competition. They've already been working together, honing their skills and learning to navigate challenges. You'll have the upper hand in recovering in this market, allowing you to outperform your competitors. Investing for the future. The greatest success stories often emerge from the toughest times, don't they? By building your dream team now, you're not just focused on immediate gains, but also laying the foundation for a long-term success. Super important. The team you create today will be the driving force behind your company's future achievements. See, cultivating loyalty, hiring exceptional talent in a tough time sends a powerful message. You are a visionary. You're a leader who values and invests in your team, even when times are tough. This loyalty is often repaid tenfold as your employees become dedicated, passionate, and advocate for your business. Remember, hiring exceptional talent in tough times sends a powerful message to your competition. You can't save your way to a profit. Now, how do you attract super talented employees? Well, you have a compelling vision. You got to paint a vivid picture of the future. Talented individuals want to be a part of something great, something bigger than themselves. So communicate a compelling vision for your company. Next, compensation. While financial stability may be challenging during an economic downturn, offering competitive compensation and benefits will help attract talent. Flexible work environment. Flexibility, especially in work arrangements, can be a powerful magnet for talented. Embrace remote work, flexible hours, or other innovative, structures for schedules. Be flexible, be a visionary. Now, professional development is one that we always forget about. Top-notch talent is driven by growth. Be better than them. Learn with them. Learn more than them. That's the problem. Most of the people that are in charge and running things couldn't do what you do. So invest in their training and development, and you'll not only attract them, but you'll retain them much longer. And then you got to let people know. Showcase success stories. Share stories of your past successes and how your vision has taken flight. This kind of narrative, as I call it, can be incredibly inspiring and make potential employees eager to join your journey. So in the challenging times that we find ourselves in, it's the visionaries who seize the moment and position themselves to succeed. By seeking out super talented employees and building an MVP team, you're not just braving the storm, but ensuring triumph tomorrow during the next storm. Your journey toward success right now begins today. Take the first step. Go find the superstars. And then everybody else will follow your lead. Hope you guys have a great day. Be safe. Take care. Sell a bunch. Find somebody and say something nice to them.
You've been listening to the Productive, Not Busy podcast. Please hit the subscribe and notification of new episodes button and visit us on social media like Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok for bonus content.
Hey, welcome back. I was talking with a friend of mine over on the coast about some business, and we were talking about some stuff about how people make it through, how businesses make it through tough times, right? Some businesses respond to obstacles in the economy with just, letting people go, firing people, making changes that unless you've just made, bad choices prior, it's probably something deeper. And we were talking about the luxury brands, like Chanel and Rolex and some of I'm talking the legacy companies. And, these companies have been around since the 1800s, early 1900s, and they're still around, and there's got to be a reason for that. So I started delving into it, spent the last couple of weeks just looking at that and what that looks like. And that's why this podcast, the title is called The Resilience of Elegance, right? These are going to be the top 10 luxury brands in the world that have been around for over 100 years and still are around even through some serious economic obstacles. And I can't wait to share this with you because it's really cool. Some really neat tidbits maybe you do or don't know. But that's what we're going to talk about today on the Productive Not Busy podcast.